Hello.
Hello.
Hang on, I'm away from you. We've been looking for this guy for ages, for a week, and we've just stopped to ask the lady next door if he'd moved.
Is it he, right?
And that's his wife, and here he is. Sidecar for me bike.
This one.
So, got a sidecar for me bike. And this guy mate. Oh yeah, I'm having a wheel like that. So, hold me wheel up. Does he do them in red? Yeah, but the paint. Can you see the paint? Red paint. You got a red one.
You never do.
It's got to be black. Oh, it's got to be black all over here.
Aluminium, you see.
Okay, I'm sure I can. Right, for the one of roof. Like the lady had yesterday. One of roof so we don't get wet. Like you seen the lady who was selling the coffee. Yeah? Make anything you want, this guy.
You want light it or you want to put a thingy on the floor?
Right, where's the bike go? Where does the bike go? The bike's there.
Yeah, bike there.
Right. Seat there. Hang on. Bike there.
You want that rubber you like the one, yeah?
No,
the floor.
we want a flat floor.
Oh, flat floor.
Because it's to carry people.
Okay.
Yeah, steel floor. Yeah. And you have a seat on the back as well, or what?
Have a seat in the back.
You've got a seat there. Have a seat on the back. As well.
As well. And a seat in the back as well. And head mình có năng thăng lực gì đây? Bỏ nói. Bỏ nói. Yeah, he can do anything, but what he want to know is which type you want, and after that we can tell us what price is it.
Okay, so let's end this video because we've got to concentrate. So we'll get back to this on a later date because I've got to decide what I want. Honey, see you later.
See you later.